Bere company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ekyo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ekyo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo wakwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nibwa amavuta yani oil na wigo chiriya chia mache inyoranga chirangi chiga nigo chiri kurwase chire chiri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati wigo imeya uru superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya uru superstores na wokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora wikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi na wigo Ekeonga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eywerangene duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Are you looking for a school where your child can grow, shine, and achieve their dreams? Welcome to Lucky Star Educational Center, where excellence begins. We offer top-quality education for learners from playgroup to grade 6, fully CBC compliant and designed to nurture every child's potential. At Lucky Star, your child enjoys modern computer studies with a fully equipped computer lab, chess, karate, and swimming to enhance mental skills, discipline, and swimming. Or 071-959-4048. Lucky Star Educational Center, a center of excellence.
Ikomi omwancho murigira chinga kito ikira semesa ye Ekeonga tokomanye buna bereka wataka asenchura yo chinga kira asenchura yo igano nakora sense mire yo muno wimanyerera etorene panesa naboki na toko chapa ekero ensendu ya patana chinsa chinga iri kumara ritsko iri nomero yo omere telefoni ya kenyera chikuru kya ebyo kwaneke buna bakyanyere ukwambuka makweri boroiro bukorengana na muthoni nigo ebirenko byo kwambukera ku boroiro bu anemono abasubati chinka kibakongya bwabeire bigokya.
World AIDS Day. Na unajua kutoka kwenye tumetoka 2 decades ago, Kenya imeweza kupunguza ugonjwa wa AIDS na 72%. Kutoka 2 decades ago. Kitambo ulikuwa unasikia mtu wako na ukimwi unatoroka. Si ni ukweli? Lakini siku hizi tunaishi pamoja kwa sababu tuko na mbinu za kupuuza hii ugonjwa. Ya pili, AIDS related deaths at the Ministry of Health tumeweza kupunguza na 90%. Kwa hivyo watu wengi siku hizi hawakufi kwa sababu mtu ako na ukimwi. Labda kwa sababu ya diabetes, blood pressure hapa, cancer na magonjwa ingine mengi. Pia mother to child, kama mama ako na ukimwi na anapata mtoto, tumeweza kupunguza na 35% transmission of mother to child. Hiyo ni kumaanisha wale watoto wanazaliwa hata kama mama ako na ukimwi, sio lazima mtoto apate ukimwi. So hiyo ni mambo tunataka kusherekea na kusema ya kwamba pia mambo ya triple threat. Triple threat ni ile maneno ninaita HIV infection, teenage pregnancies na gender-based violence.
Mancho murigereria ntogendrete okobwateria ayo anemonolito korio konyero boroirobo emangana arache kogochira korwa Chinsa ase Ekeonga obotuko bwarero togo skabosio wakili Samson Nyagaka yore omwemsi mukoro bwegwoderia nyamasibi noyo bwangoiga kogokera nabo ikugukwanira obochore obokya bwakorekana asi ward 3 imije county ya Nyamira korengana na wakili obochori obo ne kiorokererio ekia anemono gocha somogusi buna omugusio na chirekine nabo igona areta yare gocha kumubwate sia Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi asiganga yayo kochia korie kirogo gyokora ense asobochori obonene bore bosio bo mwaka 2027 ukwana kurwa ase ekanisa eyemo meye bungerie ya Nyaribari Masaba wakiri nigo arorokanete kagwakera omoski Matiangi ekoko.
A deputy party leader of the Jubilee Party. Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi. Ekerane deputy party leader ya Jubilee, nale presidential candidate. Ingatuma whatever. Amen. Abantu baito. Longo ba kerambia mono, especially abantu baito ba Nyamira. Mwase geto mwano minto akaira twalenge gota gosekererwa osibili kukorumuka na ando beke michianga agende siko aligie kerogo intuto botaketia intuto rali toko morigeni eli akabere jo ashungwanira abamogo bano bansiye na lengo nanda machikali nje na nyaroseti omo gavana keraru etese ino bali mocho dire igomo ko nyore geteke nene na tumoateba na omo gavana oyo ilago chikorokwa Dr. Ezekiel Machogu Omba omo gambie boko lendwa omo gambie boko iterwa mumateke kusiyeti mwesaleri abaikoye watabwate siri abasigisi nobale bonsi nagale ndeseito abanyari bali mubwate chikura chionzi momaye mwikaranze.
Muraibuense Daktari Samuel Ruto mwaziri w'uburundi Kipchumba Murkomen muriko butambase wizara y'uburundi boime omoske Daktari Mondamoro negatiye baribari bayikirana asomo yegabo kubekera abagambi nabo igabakonyi babagambi chiguto anemono bali banyo bakore konyora amegerio igoro y'uburundi kaukwana asomo yegoyo mwaziri w'uburundi moske Kipchumba Murkomen nigo atogege tambukiro cy'umuraibuense yoko gendera ko na kokorengana amegiro na goteba samatkari bose semia kere bose nerebuya abagambi banyare kogendera konyora amegiro.
So, Your Excellency, this is historic because training is extremely important. Inahakikisha ya kwamba inawapatia skills ya kumanage ile kazi wamekuwa wakifanya huko mashinani. Hawa machiefs, Your Excellency, ni multipurpose na assistant chiefs ni multipurpose officers wa serikali. Wanatumika kwa kazi tofauti nyingi sana. Unajua kwamba walikusaidia kwa registration ya farmers, mambo ya doctors, mambo ya health, working with health promoters. Unajua kwamba hawa machiefs na assistant chiefs wanapambana na pombe na dawa ya kulevya mashinani. Hawa ndio wanasuluhisha shida yenye inawahusu wananchi mashinani. And I want to say without any fear of contradiction, these officers who are before us, Your Excellency, are the most trusted public servants in the entire republic. There are some threats that these chiefs needed to have some training on. One of the problems we have in the country now is gender-based violence and violence and sexual offenses. Our chiefs, they play a very critical role in ensuring that gender-based violence is dealt with across the country, especially defilement of young people. Your Excellency, there is also a very important issue they deal with: drugs and alcohol abuse. Drugs, Your Excellency, is a great threat to our young people. They have made many young people to become zombies. But with the help of the chiefs and assistant chiefs, there have been major crackdown across the country, and we agreed on a rapid results initiative with NACADA, and these chiefs have done a fantastic job, but a lot needs to be done, and that's why they required also training to see how we can work together to sort these issues. The third issue, Your Excellency, that is a threat to us is the issue of banditry na mambo ya inahusikana na mambo ya Al-Shabaab na mambo mengine ya threats to our security. These chiefs play a very critical role. In fact, Your Excellency, some of our chiefs were abducted going to their work by all those militants. And Your Excellency, those we consider them our heroes because they are always in the forefront. Some of the chiefs have been killed, Your Excellency, during these raids, banditry and so forth. And therefore, we appreciate them for standing firm, and we want to make sure that they continue getting the necessary training.
Maraiwense oyorenge omugeni bwesko asomo yogoyo nigo asomera abagambi mirimo yabo anemono ase ababolya bagendere kubekera aboroki wa oborendi boisaine ase amasomo abo ensemo yende nigateba nerebuya abagambi abo babe bakonyora amegero baada yega kimitinyi etano nemo.
You are expected to enhance public awareness, counter misinformation, mobilize uptake and protect public land, and support orderly implementation of all government projects. Your role is to ensure households are informed, to support community health workers in outreach programs. Our ambition is to nurture a globally competitive generation of young people. Ongoing initiatives are expanding school infrastructure and basic education, implementing new university funding model, ensuring 100% transition from primary to secondary and from secondary to tertiary institutions, while expanding technical and vocational training and improving on school feeding program and safety net programs. You are required to support enrollment, retention, school safety, and mobilization for education programs. For you to execute this responsibility effectively, you must continuously educate yourself on government programs, ensuring that you articulate them accurately and confidently. Let me appreciate that this training is being undertaken 10 years after the last one was undertaken, which is not quite right. My instructions to the ministry is that every officer, chief and assistant chief, including our other officers, as soon as they are hired, they should not stay for more than 6 months before they come for this training. Many of the officers standing before me here have served for close to 10 years without training. I know you have gone through difficult times because this training is necessary for you to be much more effective, much more efficient, and I appreciate that many of you have been looking forward to this opportunity. You have piled a lot of pressure on the ministry, and I am glad that finally we are here.
Mujumbe w'ibunge ya Kiharu Omuskendi Ninyora nigo amochire chiburaburu chenekyo hasikatia chibunge na boigo chibwodi asobochore boke bwa boko enekiwa ukona korwa mochi omranga nyoro nigo amochire serikali asogotumika bobe abanyanyimbo na boigo chipesa chinga kichech campaign na boigo chinga kicheri tukoriria hari obochori bwa bete bokorekana.
Mimi nimeshiriki katika by elections in my first term pale Kiaba mpaka nikaregeza hii msipi yangu mara mbili kwa sababu ya kukotea huko nikifanya campaign, and therefore nimeparticipate katika by elections kule Rorie Nyandarua last term, but it is the first time that it is happening in Kenya ya kwamba wakati kuna by elections tunaona bullets zikikuwa short. It is the first time. It is also the first time we are seeing the kind of level of intimidation na kutumia fedha za umma na katika level tunaona saa hii hatujawahi ona tena. We want to request all the leaders, political leaders. There is no leader who was born ati kazi yake tu ni kusupport mwingine. Every leader na every person ako na nafasi ya mawazo na ako na freedom of association. Tupeleke chini hii mambo ya temperature ya juu sana, especially serikali ikitumia nguvu ya askari kwa mambo ya uchaguzi. We have to keep on recalibrating, building the fabric of our country, and it is very unfortunate that the same money we pay as taxpayers can be used to actually bring this harmony among Kenyans. Na pia nataka nikemee, mimi nimepigwa na tear gas pale Keno hapo awali katika kanisa, na sio vizuri. Na mimi nataka kuuliza wale watu wako katika uongozi, we can differ on anything else, but let us not get to a level of throwing tear gas in churches. Tuache hii mambo ya watu kupiga tear gas katika kanisa. That is the lowest we can go as a country. Tuachane hiyo mambo ya kutumia nguvu sana na nguvu ya kujipiga kifua, kwa sababu raia wa Kenya ndio wadosi wa Kenya.
Manche murigiria enkwani yoyo moskenyara nerego chigotokira mwere w'Ekeonga sinerego tokira mwere w'Ekeonga Chinsa kimya senchira yo winge yomuna yenda mange dipone asanya na genereto kwariganiria agochire ibere na boigo inyechubutuko bwarero twaro buri borobya ncengatire Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kurasomo no bimanyiriro Kevin nero kwaneke buna chibichechi na marengo ikirachira senchira eri yo wekirano. Bye bye, tumurane ritkore ankyo.
Unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga, kumlea na kumwendeleza mtoto wako? Karibu Lucky Star Educational Center, mahali ambapo elimu bora inaanzia. Tunatoa elimu ya kiwango cha juu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 6 tukiwa CBC compliant na tukilenga kukuza uwezo wa kila mwanafunzi. Lucky Star inajivunia mafunzo ya kompyuta katika maabara ya kisasa, chess, karate na swimming kukuza akili, nidhamu na ujuzi wa kuogelea, usafiri wa uhakika na salama kwa wanafunzi wote, ada nafuu na zinazolipika, madarasa mapana na ya kisasa, walimu waliobobea, waliofunzwa na wenye ari ya kufundisha. mazingira tulivu na rafiki kwa kujifunzia, vifaa vya kutosha vya kufundisha na kujifunzia. Usaili na usajili wa Januari unaendelea. Mlete mwanao katika shule inayojali mustakabali na mafanikio yake. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, eneo la Jogoo, kando ya barabara ya Kisii Nyamira, mkabala na Kenya Power Substation. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0715245923 au 0719594048. Lucky Star Educational Center, kituo cha umahiri.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, welding and fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya building and civil engineering nkwegeli bale plumbing, masonry, carpentry and joinery, building technology, civil engineering na wigo water engineering ase ensema ya computing and informatics nkwegeli bale ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na wigo na network system administration ase ensema ya electrical and electronic engineering nkwegeli bale electrical installation na wigo electrical engineering asinsema ya cosmetology nkwegeli bale hairdressing wigo mbabwate fashion design ase hospitality and tourism nkwegeli bale food production yani cookery na wigo food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Tengorogu James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 was a form 4 batagiye universities acha teyo babere isko ekiagara boniga se Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zicheme kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakano bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship mkwaye go bali chiloni cyo gosoma wetera help higher education loans board nechibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia kumenye school gulendagera na gwakanese nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye go bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo n'ababunge bunabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri mwana ndo gwense gocha Kitutu Masaba wekawe bursary in full inda abana baito January nitekinegende abana bali bakoze school January mwakaribishwe ndogendere na intake na application sinchigenderete
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuri yiga kose obakirisi migwetera sikiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068. Enyagitari ya Nuga Best nenyagitari ya chirengu maso gusega sigire mechando ao ya maroire ayo agendera ko bagagucanda mwanya banto nigo babwate emashini yekerero eyo ekorongeya egetekyo mogongo yanyinyitora emekia yane kyabuna chingurungo toka kire ase omubere yasibya manyinga egatemerimende emashini ye nigo eroseranirie amaryogo ayo akurukwa nano diamond titanium ayo agutumeka ase okugwenia ale nayo obokoreri wanuga best nigo bole oboigoro mono ase babwate mechibi eyo ekugwenia marwire yenda buna bulya bwa ovarian cyst, fibroids, prostate enlargement igatia yanda mange wigo mbabwate machine nde okubeka samari kao eyekuyarungiya igati yobokorera bunde obu bakubwatuka imenya gitaririga iko bakwigura kera